but she has got a lot more. Oh, you're welcome, yeah.
Yeah, so I just got it out, because everything
No
was,
mold, no.
well, he said that it started molding, so
Yeah.
that's why I started getting it out. You know, it had a whole dumpster and everything, but this is,
How far up did the water get?
it was up to here,
Wow.
yeah. I have pictures of, my basement completely flooded.
Yeah, send us your pictures too. So do you feel you're being covered by insurance?
No,
adequately?
not adequately, but, we're trying.
And how much is the deductible?
Here's my basement, you see the thing floating?
Yeah, send me those.
Yeah, I'm hearing $5,000 deductible. I
Yes.
have flood insurance and
That's my
Everything got like
basement. You see the
$8,000
floating,
Wow. So that's the top of your
this is the
stairs.
top of my stairs, exactly.
So the water was up to there.
Yeah, so this is completely,
Oh, jeez.
and then this is my car.
Yeah, send me those.
This is early, so
Good.
you know, by
Make it-
by the evening, it was completely.
I want
my
these
car.
pictures so we can make a case to the governor, the existing governor, next governor, send them to Washington. I mean, I don't want them to think, I want people to recognize it, talk about these national disasters all over the world and all over the country. You know, this hasn't gotten the attention
No,
it
it
needs, so,
doesn't.
sorry about it.
I did call the Red Cross and they told us it wasn't a natural
No.
disaster, so they couldn't help us because the fire department came in and I had to call my mother to come and pick us up because there's people that don't know where to go. I mean, I was grateful, you know, I have my mother, but there's people that don't have anywhere to go.
You know, we put up a family in the Holiday Inn last night.
Oh, okay, that's
just,
good.
you know, the woman
Yeah,
who was there
yeah,
last
I
night.
said.
Yeah, 'cause she was gonna sleep in someone's attic,
Oh,
and that just wasn't.
well, that's what I mean, it's just everybody's displaced, and now I know that next door, they don't, they don't have anywhere to go either.
Who?
The ones that the first house we went to, their house is condemned.
Oh, the Polish people?
Yeah,
The one with the daughter who wasn't there.
You got her
The mother
number?
was there, yeah,
You
yeah,
can call, find out.
yeah.
I don't know what we can do short term, you know, I'll take as many